Today I'll show you how Factorial's recruitment and onboarding modules transform the way new talent is integrated in companies all over the world. Let's start with the beginning of every hiring process, the job opening. Create a job opening in Factorial and let our AI create the job description for you. Once the job opening is ready, you can promote it on many different job boards like LinkedIn, and all candidates appear right here in Factorial. Let's dive into how we handle the influx of candidates and centralize communication with them for you. Quickly identify the perfect fit with tags and filters that outline the right skills, and highlight top applicants with our AI top match. Easily involve other people in the process with evaluations, mentions, and interview scheduling. After securing the right candidate, it's time to ensure a smooth transition into your team. Enter the welcome space, where onboarding workflows help managers and employees complete tasks and submit their documents. This ensures a great experience for them and a positive first impression. New hires can complete their tasks from anywhere and anytime, right from their mobile devices. Just sign and send. Integrating new talent into your organization is easier than ever, and these features are now within anyone's reach. So all there's left to do? Celebrate with your team.